Oh man, freezing rain, sleet, all the ice build up on your car that you could ever want. It's a good day for delivery day. Okay. So the current conditions are super icy, and we are attempting to leave the property, but we have this to deal with first. As you'll notice, I'm driving in the grass on the yard because it was so slippery in the driveway that even at a standstill the car was sliding. So yeah. That ought to do it.
Can I also pay for the person behind me? And can you please tell them, sorry I drove so slow?
You're all set.
Thank you so much. You as well.
William? Yeah, awesome. Woo! Yeah, that caught me off guard. That's awesome though.
Oh man, I'm so excited. It just got busy, of course, right now. Oh, there goes an STI. We have to move a few things around, but she's coming. She's coming. Sweet Mustang. The guy says he's transporting this about 2 more hours up north to that lucky customer. We've got a Mustang there. It looks like a 70s generation Mustang in yellow and black. Super cool, but it's what's behind it that I'm really interested in today. Oh man, look at this beast. Ah, sweet. Smells good. It smells good. It's pretty badass, actually. It's in good shape. I see it's rocking the 5.0 badge. I don't know how thrilled the owner might be to know that it was out on the salt. It's not, yeah, it needs some work. It needs a little bit of work. But it's clean. The thing is awesome.
Thank you so much. It's a beast. I'm very excited. I'm so excited. I put the deposit down in June.
Oh, really?
And I had to wait. It needed a passenger airbag recall. I had to wait 7 months. Airbag? Really? It's been a long process, man. It's been a long time. Yeah, I had to wait 7 months.
Look at that. It's like take it out, put the new one, that's it done.
I know. I was messaging them. They're like, "Can I do it?"
Okay, I need to sign, yeah. Take 6 pictures.
Yes. Ready to go ahead with this. Look at the job.
So sick. Cheers.
Wow.
You love it.